If you smell what the rock is cooking.
Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox the Logitech G19 keyboard, a gamer keyboard. Yeah, I just got it today and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. Let's see what we get from Logitech. Here we are. What we get here? USB and yeah, power cord. Here is the adapter. Europe. Oh, we get more. Thing to put your hand on, you know. I don't know what's in English means. English is not my main language, sorry. Here we got quick start guide. Quick start guide. Yeah, nothing interesting. Important information, and yeah, I think here we got the software for this keyboard, because you can program the macros on the G buttons. So let's just shift the glasses away. Yeah, it feels great, soft. Here we got the LCD display. You know. You can also watch here videos from YouTube. You can see the CPU and RAM and how many of them are you using now. Volume control, media player buttons, play, stop, forward, back. Yeah, that's it. That's all we got. And yeah, it looks really cool. It looks really cool. Really good made. Yeah, it's Logitech. Of course, best quality. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, rate, put a I like it on. I don't know. Yeah, still watch my videos. Yeah, thanks.